Hello,
Hello.
you can start to present your final project.
I have made an engine that I named L2 Hybrid Electrocharge Engine. This engine can use neither gasoline or electricity. How it works? Wait. The gasoline will come to a room, and in that room the air will come in. Gasoline plus air, if the gasoline hits air, that can cause an explosion. The explosion vibrates to a channel. Channel leads to trigger. The vibration are going to trigger something, and that something are going to swipe two different things. The two different things are going to produce electricity. The electricity are going to cause a small explosion, cause the sudden trigger that is going to push the piston that is connected to a transmission that is connected to the tire. This push will move the tire. But if the fuel is electricity, then there is a special iron that is going to attract the electricity to the trigger. And the electricity are going to crush the trigger and is going to cause more electricity. The hot air that is in that engine are going to increase the voltage of the electricity, making the power more bigger. But why do we use this? Why don't we use other engines? Well, this is less pollution because not like because if the normal engine works, the explosion that is caused is more manier because there is 4 explosion in every piston. But in here there is only one explosion that is going to vibrate, that is going to push the piston, if you get it. But if you wonder, but are the one explosion more bigger? Where I am not interested to the power or the bigger is the explosion. I made a few adjustments that the explosion only vibrates the trigger. And this adjustment also make the performance and the power more bigger, more good. And this is also more economic because you can use the fuel not too many because one explosion only costs a little bit fuel, and that is already can move the car, especially when you use electricity. Is more economic if you use it well. And this is a light engine, so it's not too big. That is the presentation. Thank you.
Oh, very good. So, have you measured this? The result according to your theory or your concept?
First, there is a Daihatsu Terios. The Daihatsu Terios have a top speed of 165 kilometers per hour. The Daihatsu Terios can reach 0 to 100 kilometers in 13.5 seconds. And the Daihatsu Terios has 104 horsepower. But, and then I replace it with the L2 hybrid electrocharge engine. And the power and the horsepower increase almost twice. And the speed also increased to 195. And the Daihatsu Terios can reach 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 7 seconds. But it's not possible that the Daihatsu Terios can be more good. Maybe because it's the Daihatsu Terios. Maybe if you use it in the other car like a sport car because sport cars is already designed for fast acceleration and top speed. Maybe with this engine, the sport car are going to be more better.
I see. Okay. Thank you for your presentation. Okay, so the result of announcement your final project will be announced soon. Thank you. Bye bye.